Hey guys, it's Cheyenne here and welcome to the channel. I'm really excited for today's video because I received a package from Beautycounter. So as you can tell, I don't have a full face of makeup on, obviously. So I know they sent me a beautiful eyeshadow palette, which I'm so excited to review, and they also sent me a mystery item. So let's get to the unboxing. So like I said, I knew Beautycounter went ahead and sent me a eyeshadow palette. They sent me the classic edition. I'm really excited to share these colors with you. Oh my gosh, wow, these colors are beautiful. I have to show you guys what they look like. I'm so excited to use this eyeshadow palette. Honestly, all these colors are beautiful and I can only imagine what type of looks I'm gonna create with this. I'm gonna do a quick swatch for you guys so you guys can see how beautiful and pigmented these eyeshadows are. Like I mentioned, half my makeup's already done. I'm excited to already get started in playing with these eyeshadow colors. I'm gonna start with the shade Cinnamon. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit on my eyeshadow brush and I'm gonna do it on the outer crease. And it's really important to make sure you blend it in all the way. Same thing, I'm doing it on my outer corner of my eye. Next, I'm going to go with the shade Suede and do it in the middle corner, just like this. Next, I'm going to go ahead and pick up a flat brush and I'm going to go ahead and use the color Copper. I'm going to apply this on the inner corner of my eyes. Wow. And then I'm going to go ahead and go in with the color Sable. I'm going to reapply it again, but on the outer crease of my eye. Like I said, it's important just to make sure you blend it out so there's no hard creases. And then lastly, I'm going to go ahead and put it on my lower lash line. I'm going to use the color Copper one more time. So it kind of brings it in all together. So to tie it all together, I'm going to go ahead and apply my eyeliner and my mascara. As you guys can see, I tied up the look together and I am obsessed with this eyeshadow palette. Truly, these colors are beautiful, they're pigmented, and I can't wait to create more looks with this. Honestly, I have to show you guys a close-up of this because it's just so beautiful. So if you guys were watching closely, you would have noticed that I got two things in the mail. This is the mystery item. It is part of their skincare collection. I'm really excited to be using this over the next week, so I'll make sure to post a review video next week. And lastly, I just want to give a huge shout out to Elizabeth. She helped me throughout this whole entire process. She's a consultant for Beautycounter, and honestly, I have really sensitive skin and I was nervous initially about trying new products, but she made me feel comfortable. She has great customer service. She will answer anything you have. I had a gazillion questions, and guess what? I'm gonna link her information down below, so if you guys have any questions, please feel free to not only reach out to her, but to also follow her. She is amazing, and thank you so much once again. And lastly, I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please feel free to write them in the comment section down below. Be on the lookout for the next review.